The process of raising and breeding pigs is a process consisting of many closely linked stages to ensure economic efficiency, meat quality and pig health. First, the selection of breeds plays a key role. Farmers need to choose pigs with clear origins, healthy, standard appearance, free of pathogens, fast growth rate and good reproductive ability. Pig breeds are often selected including popular breeds such as Landrace, Yorkshire, Durrock. After selecting the breed, the pigs are brought to the farm and quarantined for 2 to 3 weeks to monitor their health status. Vaccinate against common diseases such as cholera, septicemia, foot and mouth disease, etc. Next is the preparation of the barn. The barn must be built in a high, airy place in the summer, warm in the winter. The floor must be tiled or concreted with a certain slope for easy cleaning. The drainage, ventilation and waste treatment systems must ensure environmental hygiene standards. In addition, separate areas should be arranged for sows. Piglets, meat pigs, isolation areas, mating areas, and reproductive areas. Regarding nutrition, pig rations need to be scientifically calculated for each stage of development. Pregnant sows need to be supplemented with adequate protein, vitamins, and minerals to ensure health and the number of offspring. Weaned piglets need to be provided with easily digestible, nutritious food to increase resistance and gain weight quickly. The main food includes industrial bran, corn, soybeans, minerals, and clean water. During the mating and breeding stages, farmers can apply natural mating or artificial insemination. Artificial insemination is becoming more and more popular because it helps control breed quality, limit the spread of disease, and save costs on breeding males. Sows are mated at the time of ovulation, usually the 2nd or 3rd day after estrus, then need to be carefully cared for to ensure a high conception rate. The process of caring for pregnant sows requires a reasonable diet. Avoiding stress, full vaccination and clean barns. When the sow is due to give birth, it is necessary to prepare full reproductive support tools. Keep the piglets warm and closely monitor the birthing process to promptly intervene when there are signs of abnormalities. After birth, piglets need to be fully fed colostrum, have their umbilical cords cut, be vaccinated and weaned at the right time, usually after 21 to 28 days of age. Finally, after the piglets are weaned and continue to grow, farmers need to maintain a diet, vaccinate regularly, clean the barn, and check their health regularly to ensure that the piglets grow quickly and meet the standards for sale. At the same time, there must be a book recording full information on the origin of the breed, vaccination schedule, weight, mating date, for easy monitoring and effective management. An important factor in this process is the management and health care of the pig herd. Pigs are susceptible to infectious diseases such as swine fever. Foot and mouth disease, PRRS, blue ear, acute diarrhea, so regular vaccination must be carried out seriously and on schedule. The vaccination schedule usually starts when the piglets are 7 to 10 days old, then repeated according to the recommendations of the veterinarian. In addition, it is necessary to combine regular deworming to avoid parasites that cause weakness in the pig's body. The barn must be regularly disinfected with specialized disinfectants, while maintaining a clean, dry, airy environment, avoiding humidity. Besides health, another point that farmers need to pay attention to is artificial insemination, i.e., techniques in breeding. The TTNT process includes collecting semen from healthy boars, then processing, preserving and inserting the semen into the sow's vagina at the right time of ovulation. This technique requires the practitioner to master the operation, understand the signs of estrus in sows such as red and swollen vulva. Mucus secretion, and standing still when stimulated. TTNT helps to proactively source high-quality semen, increase the ability to improve breeds, reduce the cost of raising boars, and limit the spread of diseases through natural mating. Regarding nutrition and diet, depending on each stage of development, pigs will have different needs. Pregnant sows need a high-protein diet, 16 to 18%, supplemented with minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, vitamins A, D, E to support healthy fetal development. Weaned piglets need easily digestible, energy-rich food to develop the digestive system, gain weight quickly, and avoid diarrhea. In addition, it is necessary to ensure that pigs are provided with enough clean water. Digestive enzymes or probiotics can be mixed into the diet to increase the ability to absorb nutrients. One aspect that cannot be ignored is pig herd management using books and technology. Recording details of each pig litter, mating date, birth date, weight at each stage. Vaccination schedule, etc. will help farmers closely control the pig herd situation, easily detect unusual problems for timely handling. Nowadays, many farms also apply livestock management software, integrate sensors to monitor temperature, barn humidity, and remote surveillance cameras, helping to improve efficiency and reduce manual labor. In addition to technical factors, farmers also need to pay attention to waste treatment and environmental protection. Waste from pig farming, if not properly treated, will pollute water sources, air, and affect the community. Therefore, building a biogas system, compost pit, combined with trees around the barn to handle odors is very necessary. In addition, using probiotics or biological products to deodorize and increase waste decomposition efficiency is also a sustainable and economical solution. Finally, the process of selling and consuming pork also needs to be carefully planned. When pigs reach a weight of 90 to 120 kilograms, farmers should conduct health checks and fully vaccinate before selling. In addition, it is necessary to monitor market prices to choose the right time to sell. Avoiding price pressure, many farms today also cooperate with businesses and cooperatives for stable consumption. Avoiding dependence on traders. In short, the process of raising and breeding pigs not only requires precise raising techniques but also requires a combination of scientific pig herd management, healthcare, environmental treatment, technology application and a reasonable product consumption strategy. Performing all of the above steps well will help farmers achieve high profits. Ensuring a safe and quality meat supply for the market. The pork processing process in modern factories is carried out in a closed, scientific manner and strictly complies with international food safety standards. The first step is to receive live pigs from qualified farms, with clear origins, and veterinary quarantine, before being brought into the factory. Pigs will be kept in an isolated area for 12 to 24 hours to reduce stress, ensuring that the quality of the meat after slaughter is not affected. At the same time, during this period, pigs are given a final health check by a veterinarian, eliminating those showing signs of illness or not meeting the requirements. After the pigs are confirmed to meet the standards, The slaughter and processing process will begin. Pigs are brought into an area where they are stunned by electricity or CO2 gas to ensure that they are not in pain, and to avoid the secretion of cortisol, a hormone that affects the quality of meat. Then, workers use modern machinery to drain blood, clean the hair with a hot water system and an automatic hair shaver. Next is the evisceration stage, in which all the internal organs are removed and classified. The edible part will be transferred to further processing. The unusable part will be processed as a byproduct or discarded according to environmental safety procedures. The next step is to check the quality of the meat. Technicians will check the color, pH, temperature and microbiological indicators on each carcass. Only batches of meat that meet food hygiene and safety standards will be transferred to the classification area. The meat is divided into parts such as belly, shoulder, ribs, thigh, ham, etc. using an automatic cutting system, ensuring accuracy and uniformity. Some modern factories are also equipped with bone removers and slicers to serve pre-processed meat products. After classification, the meat is put into a rapid cooling or freezing process at temperatures from -18 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius to ensure the meat retains its freshness and prevents bacteria from growing. During this process, the entire process takes place in a cold room. Workers must wear protective uniforms, gloves, and masks to minimize the risk of infection. Some products such as ground pork, sausages, ham, etc. will be transferred to the deep processing area, where the raw material mixing line, vacuum packaging, and high-tech sterilization are applied. Once processing is completed, the product is put into the automatic packaging and labeling system. Each package of meat has full information about the origin, expiry date, production date, and QR code for customers to easily trace the origin. After that, the product is stored in a standard cold storage before being distributed to the market. Finally, a very important part of a modern factory is the waste and byproduct treatment system. Wastewater, blood, feathers, and substandard organs will be collected and treated by a biological filtration system, biogas tank, or recycled into fertilizer and animal feed. The factory must strictly comply with environmental protection regulations, ensuring that it does not pollute water sources and surrounding air. The entire modern pork processing process is strictly controlled according to international standards such as ISO 22000. HACCP, ensuring that the final product is of high quality, absolutely safe for consumers, and at the same time meets the export needs to demanding markets such as Japan, EU, USA. After the fresh pork is classified, cooled and pre-processed, a large part of the product is transferred to the deep processing area to create high-value added products such as sausages, ham, cold cuts, ham, canned meat, etc. This is a stage that requires modern machinery, a closed process and advanced technology. First, the raw meat is put into an industrial meat grinder with sharp, high-speed blades, helping to cut it evenly. Depending on each product, the meat will be finely or coarsely ground, then transferred to the raw material mixer. Here, additives such as salt, sugar, pepper, natural colorants, preservatives, in allowed proportions, binders, natural flavors, etc. are mixed evenly thanks to the automatic control system. Ensuring uniformity and precise content control. For sausage or Chinese sausage products, The mixture after mixing will be put into the sausage stuffer, an automatic device that stuffs meat into collagen casings or natural pork casings, shaping them to a regular size. Next is the steaming or smoking stage depending on product requirements. The modern smoking system uses natural wood without chemicals. Temperature and time are strictly controlled by computer to ensure delicious taste, attractive color and food safety. Some other products such as ham, canned meat will go through the molding, steaming and sterilization process. In particular, the sterilization technology using steam or high temperature for a certain period of time helps to completely destroy harmful microorganisms while still preserving the natural flavor of the meat after completing the deep processing mode. The product is transferred to vacuum packaging or automatic canning. Modern packaging machines are capable of vacuuming and pneumatic boxes to extend the preservation time without using too many chemical preservatives. Each product is labeled with full information on traceability, barcode, nutritional ingredients, expiration date, etc. to help consumers easily identify. Next is the final quality control stage. Test products will be brought to the laboratory to test microbiological and physiochemical indicators such as E. coli, salmonella, nitrite content, fatty metal residues, moisture, protein, etc. to ensure that all shipments meet food safety standards before leaving the factory. In addition, some factories also apply blockchain traceability technology, allowing customers to scan QR codes and know full information about the production process from breeding, killing to processing. Another highlight of the modern factory is the Intelligent Production Management System, MES, SCADA, connecting equipment and chains with central management software. This helps monitor the entire process.